In our next string here, we're dealing with more subtraction problems, and again our goal is to use what we know about coins to think about what the answers to each of these fractions might be. And if you're thinking, well, that's ridiculous, I know an algorithm for solving these and for subtracting, just find common denominators and subtract, that's fine, and you might have other strategies as well. The association of a fraction to a coin is just one way of thinking about these fractions, and that's why I'm doing this, because I think that's really important for you to have some way to use your intuition about the answer to any problem dealing with fractions instead of just blindly following some algorithm. So that's why I'm going through this. So first we have 1/2 minus 2/5. Well, 1/2 you can think of as 50 cents, or 0.50, minus 2/5. I've talked about this many times in different videos, but a fifth, 1/5, is not the same thing as a nickel. It's 20 cents, because a fifth of a dollar, you have to think about a dollar being split up into, you have $1 being split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups. Well, each of them would be 20 cents, right? That's what it means to find a fifth. So 1/5 is 20 cents. Here we have 2/5, and that's 40 cents. So we have 50 cents minus 40 cents, and that's 10 cents, or 1 dime, which we have talked about as 1/10. Next we have 3/4 minus 3/5. Well, 3/4 is the same thing as 3/4, or 75 cents, minus 60 cents, right? 3/1/5, 320 cents. And that's 15 cents, which is the same thing as 15 out of 100. And that's like saying 15 pennies. 7/10 minus 2/5. Well, 1/10 is a dime, so 7/10 is 7 dimes, or 70 cents. Minus 2/5 is like subtracting, again, 40 cents, as we established right here. That was 40 cents. And 70 cents minus 40 cents is 30 cents, or 0.3. And that's like 30 pennies, or 30 cents, 30 hundredths. Now we have some improper fractions here where the numerators are larger than the denominators. If I have 6/5, well, 5/5 is a dollar. Another fifth would be another 20 cents. So it's a full dollar and another 20 cents, or $1.20. Minus 11/10. Well, 1/10 is a dime, right? So 10 dimes makes a dollar. $11 is $1.10. And that's just going to give you 10 cents, right? $1.20 minus $1.10, 10 cents left over. That's 1 dime. Okay, and actually is the same thing as our first answer, right? There's definitely a connection right there. We'll think about why that is. Now we have 2 and 3/20 minus 1 and 9/10. Well, 2, the whole number 2 is $2. 3/20, what's a 20th? Well, let's take our dollar analogy again. You take a dollar, but this time you cut it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 different little pieces. So think, what goes into a dollar 20 times? So something, a mystery number, times 20 equals 100 pennies, or a dollar. And what I get, of course, is 5 cents, right? 5 cents goes into a dollar 20 times. So 3/20, well, let me write this in. So every 20th is 5 cents, 0.05. That's what each of these are. So right here, 0.05 cents, $0.05 is 5 cents. So 3/20 is 3 nickels, or 15 cents. So we have 2.15 minus $1.09, or 90 cents, right? That's 9 dimes. So I think, well, what's 2.15 minus the dollar? That's 1.15, minus another 90 cents. So here we have, right, $1.15. Here's a dollar. Here's $1.15 minus 90 cents. And what I picture is, well, first we have to take 15 cents away. We're taking 90 total. Take 15. How much more do we have to take? Well, if we took 15 cents away and we're only taking 90 cents away total, that means we still have how many cents left to take? I get 75 more, right? Because 75 and 15 is what? That's 90. So $1.15 minus 90, and I'm just showing you how I think about this, has to be 25 cents, right? Because 25 cents plus 75 cents is $1, plus another 15 cents is $1.15. That's 90 cents total. And all of this reduces down to a quarter, right? 2.15 minus $1.90 is 25 cents. Okay, so last but not least, we have 2 1/10. So that's $2.10. Excuse me, minus 24/25. A 1 24/25 is $1. What's a 25th of $1? Remember, a 20th of $1 was 5 cents, and we drew this little picture and thought about it. Let's use the same line of reasoning. If I took $1 and I split in 25 groups, how much would I have? Well, to figure that out, what could I do? I could say, well, what amount of money times 25 gives me $1? And that's 4 cents, right? 4 cents times 25, just like 4 times 25 is $1. So 1/25 is 4 cents. Right here, I have 24/25. I'm running out of room, but I'll write it right here. If I have 24 groups of 4 cents, 24 times 4, how many pennies do I have? Well, 4 times 20 is 80, times another 4 is 16. That's 96 cents. So really, when I have 24/25, I have 96 cents. So now I'm going to say, well, how much more is 2.10 than $1.96? That's what this is asking, and that's 14 cents, or 14/100ths. All right, hope that helped.